This is how Liam plays in the morning while Mommy's getting ready. He likes sitting in the sink, and he likes pretty much anything he can get his hands on around here. And he can spend quite some time like this. And luckily, he's only accidentally turned on the water once or twice. Yeah, little monkey. Are you making monkey sounds?
Do the Dr. Evil laugh.
This is gold, man. Oh, Liam. You make my stomach hurt. This is really funny.
Yeah, I love you too.
Do the Dr. Evil laugh.
All right, ready, Liam?